eba e bekae wo hwe budget no mu a efri achire efri mfitiase ekosi na wie ye no hover around covid enti emu bebre ka say covid budget
edin abeda budget no so
pandemic budget if you say everything about this budget covid asem na understandable nti ase wo if you say covid ni real abeto ye nyina so na wo hwe ne top pam pesa me bon ni say minister no kire juma covid edi Ghana fo edi wiase fo nyina efa yen social life ebe wie ya fa employment abi wie economic indicators kire say yen de Ghana mpodi ya hade na ye growth rate no bi mu ye negative ye ya 0.9 ti ya hade na mu ade ba ko na ewo mpa ne say minister ne say ene na do na ban say informal sector no adwumayefo omododo ebe boro 700,000 hanson over 700,000 ena omo kan ye enam covid no nti omo sikasem ebe efom ebi wo ho a o construction industry ebi wo ho a o entertainment ebi wo ho a o arts and enti nipa me bebre ho kire ho na osande to so emu 42,000 de omo adwuma bo omo aban san kan say ye ho kire yen enti omo lifeline customers no yempe electricity emfa nsuo emo enti wo hwe budget na bibia kire say eya ho kyem na sisi ayewo aban say or the vaccines are brain 600,000 vaccines as at that day na nana president ba obema state of the nation no say nipa 250,000 and our vaccine no bi granted say nipa 600 ni na obi a e wo say enya 17 million more na be vaccine no if it's a vaccine you say omo 18 years and over and e wo nti enya over 17 million more almost 20 million vaccines and e wo minister nkasa bitu say covid no ena wasan akere ya ho kire a awom man no na menua ohwe aman bebre a yesi Ghana ye ade acha aman bebre in fact ye de ho toto aman akese te say America na Britain say ye yatimi akontokwa no achensa nkrofo no ba ho omo so budget mu a America man nkrofo 1.7 trillion package say omo fa relieve omo because of covid.
US are buying man for support.
Yes, or more support to the tune of 1.7 trillion US dollars. Britain is supporting Nkrofo. Burkina Faso is supporting Nkrofo. Algeria is supporting Nkrofo. But Ghana there, minister nejitum say ye ho akire yen. Enu ntia ye ma yen freebies nkakra no. Wasan the taxes abeto ye so. Entu he minority a na ya asem ne say sabi sa wono obatifie na ahokere ba ti se na sabi yare aka akwala na enwoma akwala na ye dada no ontimi nye biom ti se okonsu amawo ofufu amawo okoje wadwuma no ontimi nye agese ne ho ato no ti se no Ghana nyine yakwa hohehia mu ti se ne ye ayarefo no ti se yare no abre nyina ase ama adwumayefo ali so omadwuma ena abaya san kwosisa tax na tax na baban dia ba no bro ni say indirect tax enye tax a sikafo na ekotua na hiafo ho atomo obia betua bi enti obia aban na nkasa agi atum say 42,000 people o mo luso mo adwuma no o mo ka tax na betua no ho afa na no yewura kojo ponkroma ono kwa na chi asem no ma obia akra te ase o say free water any electricity na aban de maye no na enye free na ye bosia na ye bo enti emre na so say ye betua ka enti ye kwahye na ebisa ne say na na loka say free water no na eye brofo na na ye twi
brofo
ne adwene say na ye brofo menua sa na ye twi ye
twi say honorable
eye say free water ana free electricity na na say watua yanso ye tene brofo za na o ka twi na akere yen efi say last year no e na ode man yen Saa na ɔsi free. Just a loan.
Anti free and water. And yes,
a free as in brofo. And to a country nature. Any in a brofo. And Nessanando Becassa. I was say a bisan say a tree and I a brofo.
And I brofo.
If any I can say a brofo, I free water. If the amount for bread, the amount we buy, if you say, or say I buy a free water. More free electricity.
Your whole signboard, you know. Your own signboard, Ukruma.
And Timinia. Nema minority ayo parliament ne catch ban ne say yes no taxes na odi aba no only tax ni nyina free ho tax ba ko pe ene betumi aka say ye be support aban ama na di aba eno mpo yesre e kire say on kire yen specifically ni odi tax ne be eye road tolls no if so ene oduru ba bia ye je road tolls no omo ba bia ye je tolls na nkasa ba
o na say kese Ghana
ogige a ye betumi abo ana manage na ogie no a ye mfanye ya akwan no na akwan foforo nso amamfo hia no ye mfanye taxes na aka ni nyina aban ni free oyi free mu a ye beboa ene ohwe yen budget yen sky ye de bebre na yes ye ogidi se aban no underestimate car ye de no sika ne bi wo ho a e wo so wo de ka ho a wonfa nka ho onfa no so nka ho na yentre ne ye dwen se e ba beboa na nka ye homom na yenye majority si dabi yesi Ghana for ye de ka we beto mo so na de enso na mo nom ye no enkane ya na mo da mu kwa no ye agi hu sika afi ye mamo sanitation and pollution tax so abeka ho ye be mamo gaming nemrante ye de ye no mu fon so say
game football ni
games ni nyoma ye de tax beto so NHIL na eno se de bi beto so VAT ye increase 1% e de abeka ho enti nyoma no dawson anso aban se obeye ye de ni anim se ye nuamo MPP fo bi beka e ba beka ye ho agi atum se Ghana fo ho kire mo alas dabi yesi dabi Ghana ye ho nkire eno nti a ene hu ne ye course o parliament no na ye nwie ye we no e the policy document eye estimate no so ebeba ebeko committee level ewie so a eba plenary am ya be discuss estimate no enti ye de yegidie ni say nana Akufo-Addo ne na ban see yen kan ye hommom ye mia ye beltim efisi ahokira ba no minia na ma asem ye ya ne say o se Ghana for mia beltim na ye ntua tax we nyina no na ya adwene say covid ya ba yi government expenditure government machinery office of president no enka ye beti kana sika ye de kokko no so if say ye mi belt no sa na do de wo yi ne belt hole na frim
o ma increase office of the president sika
office of government machinery no president sika na ye de kokko efa remuneration sika ye de tu omuka na efa goods and services hu nyina menua ya tom o hwe me pacho ma me America club na minyi
honorable Salah German North Women's Organizer say otine electoral area no ohwe etimenchia o ma no waje so
mechia menua ba siata pa
the way North
Mavis mechia Mavis pa mechia Mavis na menua me pese me e kira tie for because me pese me yetu mra na ya kire si menua when yekoso compensation salaries echo office of government machinery.
That is the presidency.
Yes.
What kind of
presidency? A move akosoro 2020 no. Almost ye more 136,212,551 2020.
136 million. What about Titisikanu saying?
What about Titisikanu dia? Minia
1.36 trillion. 1.36 trillion.
Minia. Sa calculation no kra ye de mami. Free 2020 o. Na 2021 a ye nyina
COVID. Ahochira ba, ahochira tax amagana.
What tax amagana for no? Fisika almost ye mfamera omo.
No omo ni no ho.
O see from 136 million no e jump ako 823 million 880,668 Ghana cedis. E jampe ne yedi beka ho nko a ne abeka ho nko a no 687 million. 668,117 in just 1 year. Just for 2021.
Honorable Odin 4 years and I say
1 year, 2021.
Sika o use 136 no.
And Yamfanko 823 million Ghana cedis.
That's over 500%.
In fact, Sika ebe kahon kwa 687 million. And Yamfanka in this COVID period. Samre we are COVID number no. Yamfa we come. And it is not because Sika no anywhere ye de better vaccines. Enye because ye here Sika for Ghana for. Enye because sanitation ene a fin ameniye. Enye because energy sector no okofem. And because we need money for the office of government machinery. If you say you want chire na COVID number, why do we need this kind of money? Abra last year, more na mo budget 136 million. Wait, your friend outlier. Obi why research kakra be hu say figure not to say ya na e jampe kosora, you ask yourself what is wrong.
What is wrong?
In that period where you were COVID, no, we don't expect that. Meaning eno achi ne bonifa no goods and services are and also echo office of government machinery. Na ne office, president ne office no. Goods and services, yenkoto machine we, yento paper, yento we, ne yebe run office no. And also 2020 no. Sika ye budgeti ye wo ho no eye 356 million 787,229 2020. 2021 we and also kosoro almost say ye more 501 million 708,024.
Oma increase and also 100%.
Also increase and also amana boroso se say ni abeka ho no 144 million 920,795 Ghana cedis. Enti nua me ekoso na bi sika ni nyina kosoro hwe o hwe contingency kire say ye ntwa sika bi nto ho asemsia contingency no so eno so mo say eno so ye fan kosoro enfri 186 million enko every 186 million enko sabe ye de beka ho no 186 million ne mana increase akosoro no 186 million. In fact, President John Mahama person no in 2016 no contingency ye twato ho na 67 million 25,000 646. But we yes ye mayen 186 million.
As a 86 no kura no na eso John Mahama.
Eso John Mahama.
86 na da so no na eso John Mahama.
E no so because John Mahama dey 67.
No kura 87 na 86 no kura no.
Ensisaka and 100 million sandan chain. Hey, enti when you na say every expenditure office of government machinery no e kosoro. Every big critical spending. It is not defined. Critical spending. It is not defined. And critical spending also no. Yema are buying 500 million. It is in the budget. Page 226. Go and look at the budget. Page 226 also critical spending. Yema no 500 million. On your critical.
Otimi di bi brabo. Otimi di bi che.
Minia Adeba Conso was sound budget a high pa which we are going to ask and we will ask at the various level, including the committee level, they say. Abaye ama Ministry of Communication isika. Wama Ministry of Information isika yemfama no. And now was 400 million Ghana 4 million Ghana cedis. Say yemfama government communication. Government communication.
Near Omutwa bi 2017 Edema Syria College.
Eno.
Say so Syria College yesi bi mu da boso mi akatua so onye adwuma.
Enti 4 million no. Why the government communication no? Apart from information ministry no.
Information minister agini sika.
Or Jenny
communication minister agini there.
Yes.
And he 4 million.
Government communication. Why any government communication?
Any honorable say the communication officers he didn't real.
Minia, enti enyoma we ene nsem bebre. And I like I said, taxes now are binding to you, so no. And yet out of the need for COVID.
But it's to spend higher.
It's to spend higher.
At the presidency.
Because yet it is annual when you're not president, we will not need those taxes. Because you know, COVID levy, you know, it is expected to say 1 year, COVID levy, you know, will rake in 900 million Ghana cedis. 900 million. COVID health levy, you know, every month 900 million.
Did you never hear Ghana?
And in 900 million, look at the amount of money. You spend your office of government machinery.
Senko ye discipline.
Oh, ye discipline.
And no jazz you cannot spend in the last year now. Kasa tax in ye here.
And no crowd in your muscle. If you say, ye know who say, government almost spend over 90 million on COVID. But it is time now say it is 1.7 million Ghana cedis on COVID. Nya cannot call him.
Hey.
And Timinia.
There's a home content budget.
There are a lot of things. If your budget no will give you the 2020 outlook, send the 2020 tier, any near 2021 tier, because and stands medium term, a quite kakra see 2023, any 2024. And the clearly minia, and your man, am I sorry, Gina? Say, ye a buy budget non to no, and ye profligate expenditure, a banana casadia to more. Say a more appropriation one. You send the Ghana no be faso. Enti
Nancy you radio so kasano.
Be mo ji ho sika.
Nana Akufo-Addo de atwa 4 million Ghana cedis.
Ama be mo mo ti o.
Tetisika 40 billion. Okoto radio so kasa.
Communication, government communication. In fact, I was saying my TFO who said enye Ministry of Information.
Exactly.
Information Service Department, NCC.
2017.
Omo nyina wo mo dia. E na wo so etwa ato nchen. Enti ohe some item do budget no mo a emo ayen. Enti da bia me ka say budget we no eye broni say eye grand deception. Eye grand deception kire say Nana Akufo-Addo na ban e di nifa e di ma ayen. Say yes so ani bi fo asene e na odi benkum eje e na ama yen esu e kire say yenti ase e ma budget we empase na say na parliament adwuma tie no say na onimni ye the numbers e na eye nti say na odi kan no as many numbers are possible to gather today we did our best. Now so encourage you go to the estimator echo various department and agencies
and you say on record no we a policy statement
we a policy statement
and I'm more approving
yes.
No but NDC for yourself you can Ghana for nyasa record no straight up
very true and very good
and again I think na mobile estimates sikana omatwade ama omatwitwa ama MDAs no kwan ben no mbefa so meden
on spend no kwan on person fa so spend no
and also na approve our ho at the committee level then at the plenary ora bu chemu kakra mai
and then approve and say every committee every ministry a committee bi ase and the ministry na nkasa budget no any departments any agencies a sa ministry no ase no everybody be share committee a ehweso na budget na ohu na nkasa de skeleton
okay
meat na nkasa no ni ministry no pese sika na yetwa mo no pese ode capital expenditure goods and services remuneration ye betua adwuma foka enti ni nyina nso beba committee na se committee ni de onje nti se na budget ye no budget ni nyina bom no committee no bechi every single item ne pese ode
okay
na ya hwe ne last year ode ye
okay
enti committee no tenancy we na approve about committee level na ya send it to house na yakọ debate report of the committee no ansa na yama approval
okay
yakeka ni nyina bomu a ene ye be ya appropriation bill aka say ayemra sisi ya na ya parliament ni de yenwie afi na ye free ase
okay
aka say ayemra appropriation bill na ya pass ansa na ama ministry department and agencies no fine ni nyina nso ye be ye before 31st of March
and the date 19th
and then date 19th and you go so Ochina ever sitting. Ochina is Saturday. We will still come for sitting.
Ochina memenda. Wow. Edi na akofe no aba.
We nyina ye because emra no so kire say within 3 months. Who say budget no. I was saying can read the budget in December. Sa na mra no kire. But in election year, aya na intimi maso.
No kre.
Enti constitution no moratorium of 3 months. Say 3 months no so na say yantimi anye nyoma we nyina. We need to trigger another issue our constitution no answer na budget must spend it. We don't want to get there.
Okay.
I just say 31st March the budget should have been ready and approved.
Not just
but a committee level. Some of the things are yet to be approved or Hakura will change at the committee level. The committee will go through every item. And the items are yet doing committee no be say. In fact, at the committee level, a lot of work take place done at the plenary. For plenary, here na a show booting.
Now, we be say committee level. Nana Akufo-Addo said they are a type on it here. Mo be ye ni amubetimi bia. One person.
And so in Senka Basa, I was Senka because committee level no, a check committee never say more technical competencies or areas and the committee no so send a bear on betting me do some ye near Ghana. And Anka and Senka Banisa. Now send a young send a buying way a young man. And young one say appointment committee. Appointment committee Nankasa majority Nippon Bibri agree say a majority and say majority group. It just a Nipa do na appointment committee said Nipa me and Sambi or they should not have been. But yesterday on by unfortunately near see and Yenina and Jehon so and no Abba Akam. And we are just hoping say near Bessie committee level no ever reflected at the plenary.
Near Bessie or committee level no ever reflected a chamber media sign in more terms. Abusuafo I am Masem TVGH nipa mene na etwem komoi eye onimunyamfo Sulemana Adama oye emrahye badwani ma nkrofo a every time honorable nkrofo guso support jimadi no woye no abrante bi se fenoric usu apia or say nani agye won say or enjoy program no from Kumasi. Abigail apia say all the way from Germany. Anna ama free and so said Deuteronomy chapter 23 verse 23. This here ama mini Bible waha. Doris says good evening, please. How are you? Honorable is doing good. This is why you should forget about that. Your national blah 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 in Parliament. Oma forget it. Munta Baruka said good work. Hajia Breman said God bless you, Honorable. For this one part there, I will not say anything bad about our MPs. Hudu Adams, no. Hudu, no. Debbie Hudu crack where no many me boy crack or block on the line. We really some down for no. My call banning every month MP. So now me I'm a psycho father by. Or see, he said it was free water. Not free water. Honorable tell no so about veterans. And go for saying yes, I think here. I am late, but I am very happy for the approval. Hey, Bobby answers so or you happy. Na don't find your Ghana for na Ghana for fancy answer. And I say it's harsh. Almost send him. Good evening, bro. Please, I lost my phone. That's why I've been here a long time ago. Dominic J. Welcome, Dominic. Safia Ibrahim Safia. Good evening, family. Good evening. Habiba to Bini, or say mother serpent of all corruption, one for Nana Akufo-Addo. Ma make it was a hi, good evening, Brian Charles, good evening, ma. Media, ma make it was my media, me, oh, mammy, until me bra, me sister, me, mahameno, Master Alvis, Musta Alvis, good evening, Massem, good evening, ma make it was a good job, God bless you, Honorable. It's perfect now. What's the sound on them come? Madam Romo is a dear mean crocra phone be me so me the batting me be able mata di ma make us. Hi bro, good evening. You do all. God bless you so much. And also the Aisha Suleiman say, good evening, my son. Good evening, Mami Asha. Betty Mensa said the sound is okay now. The sound, please. The sound more says Aisha Ahmed say more fire, Honorable. Hi bro, good job. Comment no there mean to me and kind nyina ansa na efre Kofi Agbaja or say I'm South Africa also or South Africa. Or say in South Africa they are paying people that are not working. due to COVID-19. Ghana there, we are taking money from them. Honorable Meba, no better discuss energy sector. And Crawford said the energy sector no is overburdened. Yaji energy sector nin change sikadodo. Bibia a way easy way to tax your people. Bibia buying some mommy enko. Aye. Honorable bet me me intro bi kakra. Yesi bibia ni a. Obet yesi bibia ni a na ye de good petrol so. Bibia ni a na ye de good petrol so because government ni nim say kurasi ni afro car. Sa na kromu ni nso ye den afro car. Abusuafo many member of parliament for time constituency and edwetwe nkomo na ebe hia se me kan mo message se ne kakra na me san eko honorable ho na menene ye den eko twetwe nkomo yesi aban na hu se so to taxes ewo energy sector na for example gas obekwa akoto say ya gas between the year 2016 and now Nana Akufo-Addo ato gas mu 40 Ghana cedi LPG gas na de no aduane no Nana Addo ato mu 40 Ghana cedi a move from 50 Ghana cedi to 90 Ghana cedi na no mabusuafo so omo gas asa omo kotobi omo to gas no omo to no 90 Ghana cedi adan yentu aketuem. Honorable energy sector, levy a bind egu mako 5 in the year 2021. Why? Crawford so expense Ghana overburden the ordinary omo chire omo say baby a bind to no kono so baby a udwane to na anye den enye ye wi a na ya babel linking up with one very important way so and also ba na ye. Is there anywhere you betimi afa minority side and can betimi abua amatimamufo nwa hihan either than say toa na ese agi omo ye wi a near the about public sector aban ni say on to akatuem but ono ni sika odie die watum. Sa question in come out. See a truck at Piam Camumra Shebeja Fonds, where public sector and Kekamo. A binds on to a Kepium, name office of the president there. Or Musika on spending 2021. You increase it by 500%. You increase it by 200%. You increase it by 100%. Fans are who Robert me and San Nine on be anyone of my increase, you know. Critical contingency. And government machinery sikanyina ya increasing. Two questions together. Three. Why energy sector overburdened? Why ni ntimi fa kwan bi so a ebenya taxes ebema Ghana fam ni esa ku bi mse adenti na aban ne say public sector ne de omo ntaite omo bet say nya de obeto omo akatuem ono de watoto ne ho akatuem ara wo yase aba ho no
yo me da se me am say energy sector levy esra. Okay, there was a sunset clause. Okay, Mampani Mahamana de Baye. Those are the times are not doing so. Actually, and so be brino. And you didn't say this also not financial issues. Kahon. And ye the bed down Ghana for say, Omumwa, na Omumpia Kakra, Naemfa, and so would do so. Now we are the sunset clause. Actually, say, and yet forever. Yes, see, you the needed power. I was saying, energy system be facing it out. And it was an indication say by 2017 the energy sector levy should have been scrapped off. And no, yemi omo pozu energy sector levy no estela no. Then in fact, see majority leader Honorable Chairman Sabonso on the lead walkout energy sector levy no emra ye pass
Asla na omatum no.
Yes, on the lead walkout wo ho.
Ye pass Asla no. Omu free parliament.
Omu free parliament.
And then one be ready ya.
On the ready ya. Odi bi abeka ho.
Odi oma increase Asla no.
Asla no. In fact, ye mra so no. Ye the sunset clause mu. E kire say nduru ba bia. E wo say ye scrap levy no.
Ye nyi to free ho. Because abese when the purpose.
The purpose. Because these are special purpose vehicles are. Say a seven the purpose we cut it off. In fact, for most of the taxes aban we dey ba no taxes what they kan ono adi kan oppose pay VAT when na who VAT and extra let's stay with the energy sector lady now incremental abanja ba energy sector because abanya who say we have inelastic demand for petrol for diesel for energy enti se na etie bia wo kra wo kasa wo nkoto a wo be foro car enti aba affecto wo ni car kra wo be foro car enu nti ameka se abana is insensitive to yen nipa omo kire omo no efi se we your consumption tax so what the consumption tax to eto ade bia so a se na etie bia obi ho kire no enti enye eni just say bro say it is not appropriate for a current economic situation, you know. Say obesan the tax ato so because ne say ye nyina nim say diesel prices have been going up since January. Since they talk about we are 2 petrol mu ebe say imprenum
5
imprenum. So it is going up from the international market, it come down here a cost because of tax net so no. Enti na Ghana for say say sa energy sector levy ye increase your cost no. Even without increase, you have two international marketer. You must need to more for petrol and diesel, any other energy sector issues. And it was not necessary to increase energy sector because you're near sun, because it is the cheapest and the easiest route
to get taxes.
And any ministers and on the country and say amamu taxes in Kwandia, 7 producers. Honorable Wesley Owusu, also a 7-year-old boy could have been my president than former president
Mahama.
John Dramani Mahama.
Baby will be a yame man in your check.
Minia, and your man, Oman that John Mahama didn't know boss so. Ya. Say Oman John Mahama, a quarter of an issue a Ghana for Kam once more. And it is happening 1,000 times.
Yeah, that is true.
It is happening 1,000 times. In fact, national debt. The national debt a 122 billion. Yen say 120 billion Ghana cedis.
And document him on Bejitum.
120 billion Ghana cedis. And now me know ka say a 296.1 billion Ghana cedis. But okay, no more percentages. Okay, in fact, yen as NDC, omampani da John Dramani Mahama. Ene omampani da you at Tamils. You bet him the answer see. A Bosnian a boy, no. Near the because it is not Bosnian important. But capital expenditure, capex, very critical. Because Saudi Bosniano, now the year consumption, send you na it doesn't bring returns.
Okay.
And to Oji Bosniano, now all the koye napku. Oji Bosnia, now the koye planting for food and job. Oji Bosnia, now the koye free SHS. Oji Bosiana de koye plastic 1D1 government project 1D1 FQD and kebejetum. But government projects now all the flashy projects all of them, most of them are consumption now. It doesn't bring returns. Emra emam paninda da atamos na John Mama J Bosiano. You a trouble gas pipe. The biggest gas project in the whole of West African sub-region.
Yeah.
It brings up investment. The Bosiano yen force na oil force na no ye the 3 abeka on stream bringing us income. And we can talk about the University of Ghana Medical Center. We can talk about the Bank of Ghana. We can talk about the police hospital. We can talk about the rich hospital. We can talk about district hospitals. Any regional hospital. Everyone so come in constituency. We can talk about magnificent projects. The returns on those investments are very huge. Look, Bosiana Nanado, every 120 billion. Ako 296 billion Ghana cedis. Wow, wow, me. She won't patem ho. Nebisa ho say capital expenditure ben anywum. Say akwanye Bosiano.
Empuntu juma ben
anywum because empuntu juma the resources be bring and because for some of those resources they will pay for themselves. Sika a trouble gas plant is paying for itself. And planting for me say NAPCO, how is it paying for itself?
Omo fie kura agi pay. Onye adwuma.
How is he paying for himself? Until you are borrowing for enchirimana, it becomes unsustainable. And they say you not sustain it at this level. As I speak to you, your tax revenue, yesika yejo akatuya taxes na yeje no. Emu over 80% yedituya for remuneration. Yedituya for akatuya. Yeji tax na 80% yedituya akatuya.
Akatuya no mponye honorable.
It is telling you that we are not producing. We are not spending on capital expenditure. I don't care. Because NDC bar, yes, see a dime. Now you those investment to bring money back into the system. And Timinia, I know so much for our and I always say conveniently they don't talk about that to GDP ratio. Because now I'm moving from 56% under Excellency John Dramani Mahama. In 4 years, I'm moving cost 76% of our GDP. Nature only say. Yekani nyina bomua yekano yetekano free mo we have only 24% of resources yede be mpontujumo enti emsa obisa question
salary increment
for public sector workers minia apart from say mampani. There are so many inconsistencies of budget. Apart from the Office of Government Machinery, a Hong Kong, you blown up. No, Sika, Yadima Judiciary, Yateso. Even though Mranutia, Emrano say, you cannot revise estimate from the judiciary. You can only recommend. And it's a judiciary on budget bar. A man recommend, me can I do anything? Kamuti Susia. But a man cannot go and sit down and revise or man revise it or Matia perform. NCC attending the other form.
Baby, NCC, Ombafa educating Ghana for
Yatiaba form. Baby, Ebenya Bosia, Ediakoya Juma, Amasikaba, Ibutum Maslow, Yatiaba form.
Maslow,
Yatiaba form. Nako, Eco form. Even the free senior high, Akofem. Even the free senior high. Baby, Akosoro, Office of Government Machinery. Minia, it is unheard of. Say you be ready budget. Now you see, you can't admire for cut to your wasam.
A whole hear me.
You ready budget.
You see that.
You can't
minimum wage.
Akatuya. If you say the tripartite committee, the government, the employer, the government, and the organized labor couldn't agree. And yet, admire for Jumano.
After taxes,
even though they should have also started in January. If you say cost of living moves up every time.
Yeah.
Amanakasa agrees, say inflation is 10.something%. That inflation man reflects in academic funds because they are also affected by the inflation. Enti abusia, enyoma ekosono. There is nothing free in this world. There is nothing free. And the decisions that we took in 2020, it is having an effect on us now. If you say, for the Menametia government communicate about also Ghana for this idea we now they are thinking. Also Ghana for taking decision in 2020 and another one I don't know so he doesn't care about welfare no. And government has no excuse as at 19th of March to tell us say or be ready budget no so no minia. There is labor and employment ministry as part of the budget.
Yeah.
Every ministry is captured. The most critical thing for every worker is its remuneration. So on what basis and a government remuneration for workers better? Assuming, for instance, without accepting, you go to the Ministry of Education. Or the budget are better. Say you approve a budget for amount for Kapia. Now you don't even have the minimum wage. Assuming, say minimum wage no ba. Now it should to bro. Akatuye idea 2 ways. How is government going to pay teachers?
How is government going to pay them? Meanwhile, why allocation?
Why allocations?
Tripartite committee
so entrance
determine
the minimum
wage.
As the same applies to health, the same applies to industry, the same applies to all sectors. We need to pay workers there. Meanwhile, so we don't know the basic.
Minister of Health, you need to so sky Dimitri Omo.
the minimum wage have not been determined. Every worker is affected by the minimum wage. Every worker, whether you are the medical doctor, whether you are the janitor, whether you are the nurse, whether you are the judge, whether you are the expert, you are affected by the minimum wage.
Almost you Bomuda was here normal cottage judge for budget. One for you, Chief Justice. Maybe I will be a child.
The government management of the economy at the government is some. No wonder we have a caretaker minister for a minister, a rep of the president at the Ministry of Finance. So what is happening? What is happening at the Ministry of Finance? You train any papa amanyoma agin some say agin some.
And they say a train can of
So we still don't have a minister for finance. We only have
acting
president rep at the ministry. Then I say, well, minister responsible for finance ministry. I was saying majority leader. So that is Ghana idea. Every decision has consequences. Never take a decision. I mean, say any consequence. Every decision, whether it is a manual decision or a major decision, there will consequence. The consequence of 2020 election, Eddie Paminia. Eddie Yetina Kana is soon a hair and yen Jiminsu.
And now mom quite campo be as well. No,
I mean, I said, entertainment industry, say,
Prince David
was say, you see the word that he was using. In fact, he was just being charitable. Or say, Nana, Eddie free Nyoma, and a buyer almost to the choir campaigner. Or more choir campaign look mindless. What is the meaning of mindless?
Now he knew Timono.
What is the proper way of saying that? Mindless. He's just been charitable. He should use that word. I won't use it, but he should use that word.
Honorable saying that or consuency for. Saying our consuency for. Or more just have free ya. Akoba say, I may free. And I mean himself, oh, real consuency in Krokuma for and a dorsal. Omo ankasa nsuo no ma no be free. Ba baby e de to na kofa no be twa bi.
Menia
kwan be de course na e ba ofun so.
Menia enya de ketwa. You see
Krono bi wo kra okonso nsia e de kane akọ be si na e se omo nso.
Bebre. Menia okota no so a. The free water no se tano se ni nyawo. E train communities. They are almost together. Free water no they didn't enjoy you.
Oman said
they paid. But Obi Otano to be able to NHIL. Obi Otano to be able to VAT. So they are going to pay for something that they didn't enjoy at all. In fact, Obi Otano store Obe Crossu Roto Lubiano, he's paying. Obi Otano's board game here, he's paying. So if you go to my constituency, for instance, a rural community, your challenges have been roads, water, and educational institutions. Electricity, your mom paninda that John Mama pencil. In fact, electricity now, a boss war, budget to say, I buy the electricity, 4,700. All those, most of those contracts were awarded in 2015.
Yeah, sure.
Obatanya. Community be anywhere, fresh community, MPP by no Kanya Koso.
China water
and communities now, NDC free as no. And communities be very high in ye. Yaudonko, Pokukrum, Amangwase, Fula. All those communities they are starting in Kanyana Koso, edit transformer Akobo 4 years. Ya train Kanyana be the transformers you 4 years. Yes, okay, you saw ye. And Timinia, apart from that, Rose, a free Suhunu, Ekwakosi, Bepayase. I buy so the ama contract I ever during election, I am so. Minia, the budget statement, I bind the 2 day.
Equine.
Quite back up and the whole me constituency no. Near linking from Brekum, Eba Sequa, and on one account, and this I started saying, you know, near the Madam contractor, and on one account. No other road in time is captured.
Nabadaum.
Minya Bana.
Ya Hebanda, mammy.
Mate. No other road in time.
Tie every media is any about
every brody. Every the baby, Equa Cosi Sampa Quina, Ebefa Cosi Brody. No, it is not part, but there was a contractor on it.
You don't mean it?
I mean it. According to the budget statement, I've read the budget from beginning to the end. In fact, Emra, you presented budget. I was hesitant in commenting about your rules, if you say. Now a snippet and the full budget no can you know. But the budget statement is here with me.
Oh, a copy.
Complete budget. That it is not in. No road there. In fact, the only thing I mean who say bomb no and Kenya because in Kenya you bomb you see the whole Bono region. You see Bono region. Communities are shape on better so. And I me concerns in the council. I'm hoping say on the electricity front, those things will be cut. But for the roads,
a crime be anyone my buying consider.
I just said Brekum to Circle Road, which is now 88% complete. Ongoing.
And you must say what to come more to a friend is saying a curriculum can saying
every in Suna copy pie say fa Nasana Hani Konina. No. That project is not an
Namasa to say when you
No.
Double a friend say okay, I'll cry they say Fidel Rules.
So Fidel Rules, F. Brody, a Quacosi, I don't call say NDC pension. They say here is a Fidel Road, you be castle, handy and yeah. They say if Bro Hayoquia, a day I come also say, yeah, they and also Cajon.
Brian Inca,
David, and also Cajon.
Now, what's it, the baby Brody Quine and
Cajon 2021 budget and Cajon.
Wow. And your uncle, conscience be
yes.
Yeah, better, but baby credit about me, they are so ball.
Oh, that's about 20 days.
Sunyani Ring Road.
Yes, I said, going to do a bomb, no one come, no, the son of Bohono, I saw Bohono, but now you say, upon Geneva,
any be when
it and then reality is dawning on us. Say, and then the Ashling near Finian and Shrek, and none Eban.
But young call consuency with this budget. What is beyond a coin by Queen? Dear, no budget in my time for anymore.
Beyond a coin by Queen, I mean, I will see that day.
I didn't be the woman man consuency for better benefits.
Specifically, say about consuency in the Nimbium now. So, in fact, hospital. In fact, the hospital. And they may find out question some about Menko. Very good.
Number say I don't hear the NDC and maybe that's a DNA specific way in the budget.
Specifically on electricity, but I also know about Bono region.
And yet,
specific communities are more so. And specifically, I don't even know which Bono part of the Bono region say may constituents in the Cahonia.
Near one, no.
Near one, no.
Okay, back to the hospital. Yeah. Tyne District Hospital, your mama hospital. Honorable hospital, Yababi Biano. Hospital in NKC in 2017 under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Yeah.
Irojet. Wakwa kwaji sika no de aba. Say mfanye hospital no. Hospital honorable Nana Akufo-Addo akobia no mebo.
Yes, on the 6th of November 2020.
6th of November
2020.
Bosomi ye de beto aba.
Yes.
I want now free. Tyne District Hospital near Najoma Mercy and the second largest hospital. We Sunyani Regional Hospital free wa.
Of course.
And a referral center is some your mama na de koy. Omo kan kroma say Tyne District Hospital is they say omo operate.
It is not operational. Minia ye be a hospital na November. Na ko bia adwene say. Omo say project bia no. The moment you see commissioning, not just say you are commission we are a phrase.
Our typical example is your mama polyclinica.
Osi
no kwatri. Boma nkrankwanta. Wemfie.
Very good.
Any attachment here.
Very good.
Unim said there be a oko bia no obekọ na doctors nurses wo ha moye.
Moye adwuma.
Nkrofo nso gi ayarehwe wo ho.
Very good.
Buno afo 5 osi no. Bia oko bia no ananipa gi ayarehwe wo ho no.
Very perfect minia.
Odi eni ye bie ye bosome 9 ni. Enumnie.
Minia me de no kwada no na ye double agenda na president de ba ho. Da oba attachment for Farmers Day no. Owie no to aso e no ba hospital wan wura nsoko kurum hospital
obebie
wan man nsoko kurum
hospital no president amma kurum
na bi wo makurum ahemfo no ne amanfo no hia no wo hospital
I know about one Guachiana. No.
Oh, and then the Minia. Manana Musu, Kamasem. Beshiana, Nana Beshiana.
Mampani mananum Afroca Beshiano hospital.
We are not sign call.
One pick at a
David. And it may be a hospital nano. And you name say, ye be a hospital nano, dear. Ye be Biama among for Echo Hospital. No. November no, Echo end. January, December, Abesinko, January, Abesinko, February, Abesinko, March 19th, the way, Sunday Menuka say 23 bed capacity. Ye used to that, a while you go a painful edafum. Enquala edafum. Minia, Okodu Hospital, where best near 23, Nipper did the form. I remember very well, say you ye December no my campaign no. And Kola Konya accident to a Banda constituency do mo bar and sokono.
Many more.
And Kola did Nipana did defend everybody on the floor. Meanwhile, so this hospital there be no. And what trauma center. Everything from Wenchi, Time, Bana, German North, German South, Bole Bambo. There's a trauma center in it. Anka, Sanko for in a bit my home. And then COVID here by Minia. COVID here by. We need space, we need resources. I will say every country, every community, leveraging resources. The best resource and Katan, you want to say we have the second largest health facility Bono region. Enti and Kabenya baby, I didn't part to Asho Muye, Ama Yatimi any COVID nakon. And so ye be no since November, hospital no Susi ho. In fact, Mana be hospital nano, na ye that is the bottom line. Ye be hospital nano, na ye enti baby na staff bungalows no one. There were military personnel no more, so nobody was allowed to cross the military personnel. No wako staff bungalow no wako who say ye nwie ho. And for me, hospital na yeti ano there, it was for the optics, it's for the cameras. And now me no can say after the last 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks, me free fear ba no. 3 weeks me free boy ba no. Na ni pay ye more hospital no ma ye nwie.
The equipment about hospital.
Equipment be ama hominia. Ye be a hospital no with no equipment. Ye the trolleys ne nyoma na be go ho. But those new enkonya ye be a hospital no. The enkonya were sent back to where they came from.
Yes, omo kofa in the buy. Omo kofa a friend saying sa a create friend saying